Do you miss unexpected surprises and fun games? Then it's time to watch our new video, which starts right now. Sit back and grab some yummy treats. Let's go! Well, who'll press the button first? I'm almost ready. Alright, got it. I hope the blue color brings me some luck. We'll find out soon enough. Emma, you're pretty brave. This time, you're gonna get pop rocks. Wow. I love it when they explode. I can already imagine what's gonna happen when you eat them. Alright, let's get going. Open your mouth, Emma. This is all for you. Looks like I chose sand, but why is it blue? Oh wow, it's candy! I got really lucky. Alright, now I have to eat everything that fell into this box. Wow, here we go! Looks so nice. Looks like someone's having fun. And I still haven't decided on a button. Alright, just let it be green. Susie, I forgot all about you. I was really distracted by those fireworks. Well, what do we have here? Wow, that's an unusual choice. I definitely wasn't expecting this. I didn't think anyone would want fire nachos, but there's nothing you can do about it now. Even touching this stuff is scary. I'm afraid I'm gonna get burned. Sorry, Susie. It's not my fault. Be strong. I hope you can handle them. What is this? Looks like black coals. Oh, wait a second. It's nachos. Super. Now I'll be able to have a snack. They're so crunchy. Hey, why is it getting so hot in here? Oh no, I'm burning up. Help! Someone do something! Save yourself! Whoever you can! There's a fire! I knew this was gonna end badly. Hey, Susie, how are you? Oh my gosh, you got hit pretty hard. Poor girl, I'm sorry. Where am I? What's happening? Everything's fine. Look at the beautiful fireworks I made. Time to continue playing. Well, I don't mind. I'm sure I'll be lucky. Charlie has chosen. Now the system will determine what you get. Congratulations. Toilet paper. Give me time to place the rolls. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 left. Done. This is the last roll. Very soon it will all be yours. What's this? Toilet paper? What do I need this for, and why is there so much of it? Oops, I gotta be careful. That roll hit me right in the face. Hey, you know what? I got a really good idea. I'm gonna use every last piece of this paper. I'm glad you like it. Now it's time for me to go to the other players. Unidentified object. I'm a mummy who's come back from the dead. Unidentified object. Destroyed. Hey, what are you doing? It's just me, Charlie. Object destroyed. Wow, I could have died back there. I just can't let the toilet paper catch on fire. I'm never joking around like that again. Now we move on to the second player. Low battery. Low battery. Oh, gosh, this always happens. I'm gonna have to charge her again. It's a good thing I have this battery at hand. We just need to take a little time to energize, and then we'll get back to work. Oh, great, the battery's charging. Excuse me, can anyone hear me? I've already pressed a button. Alright, I guess I just have to wait a sec. What's behind this button? Why am I getting nothing? Can't anyone hear me? Alright, I'm tired of waiting. Oh, look, finally got charged up. Now I can remove the battery. Time to go to the second player. Lily, I am here. I see you hit the button. I don't understand what's going on. Is this button broken or something? Finally, show me what I chose. 18, 19. You seem to enjoy pushing the button. Good for you. I will fulfill your wishes. This seawater will now become part of your own aquarium. What the heck is this? I'm soaking wet. And now for some more. Don't worry, I will pour out everything I have. Now you may go swimming. Stop it! Stop it right now! I can't breathe anymore! Oh, hi, Lily. You don't have to get out of the box. Here, take this snorkel. Get back inside. Thanks, but that's not what I want. Oh, wow! It's so pretty underwater. Oh, and there's something... Whoa, fish! That was unexpected. I can't hear any buttons being pressed. What are you waiting for? Ready? Susie, well done! I'm already running to you. So what did you choose? Popcorn, great! Oops, sorry. Can't help but try it. It looks so good. Ah, it tastes great. Help yourself, Susie, before I eat it all. Here you go, the popcorn's yours.
Ew.
I don't know what this is. It smells nice. Oh, wow, it's popcorn. Oh, yeah, I got really lucky. Don't stop. I need more popcorn. It's so crunchy. I love it. I knew you'd like it. It's so much fun, Susie. Take it all. Whoa, so much popcorn. This is what I dreamed of. I mean, it's getting stuck in my hair, but that's okay. Well, there's nothing left. Except a remote control and some 3D glasses. It's probably for watching a movie. Hey, Susie, here you go. You can figure this out for yourself. I'll try. Actually, I think watching a movie will make the popcorn taste even better. I guess I just have to click a button. Wow, it works! The screen turned on! Oh, and I get to wear these 3D glasses! I want to take a look too! Sure, come on in! Whoa, this is really great! Yeah, I like it too. Do you mind if I grab some popcorn? I can't see anything! Susie, give me a snack! Ah! I'm being attacked by a scary clown! It's me, Susie! Don't you recognize me? Stupid 3D glasses. Well, I'm not gonna bother her again till she calms down. Let's go see what Emma's got. Give me one more second, I'm almost done. I choose the blue button. I hope I'm lucky. Don't worry, you didn't make a mistake. Sweet, fresh honey is coming right your way. Hey, Bee, get out of here. This is Emma's honey now, not yours. Help yourself. Hope you like sweets. It's something liquidy and sticky, but it smells delicious. Oh, wow, it's honey. Super. Shoo! I said fly away. Great. I'm so glad I clicked on that button. Oh, a bee. Get out of here. Oh, no. I accidentally pressed another button. Looks like Emma wants a part 2. Well, I don't mind. I think she'll like milk. Super! This is perfect for washing down that sweet honey. No, please! I don't want anything else! Well, now I'm not only sticky, I'm also wet. Well, at least it's delicious. That's all. But if you're not ready to say goodbye, then stick around and watch all these funny bloopers. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!